So on the 23rd of February, Beatup was closed, so most freight got diverted via the Ayrshire coastline. So I saw most of them at Johnstone, and here they are. However, my first catch today was 6M51, the 0826 DB cargo service to Carlisle NY from Millerhill SS with 66187. Then this is 6S36, the delayed 1256 turned up at 1325, College Rail Freight Service to Grangemount Innes from Dalston Oil Terminal with 7814 in the lead. Then this was 4S43, and didn't have a time for passing Johnstone, however it turned up at 1457, direct rail service to Moss End Euro Terminal from Daventry DRS Tesco with 68001. And then we go back later that night where we see 6L35, again it didn't have a time for passing Johnstone, however it passed at 1805 DB cargo service to Dagenham Docks reception from Moss End Down Yard with 66041. And then my last catch today was 4S43, the 1845 direct rail service to Moss End Down Yard from Daventry INTRFT Recap FL with 66301 and 88002.